Essentially a double back. Yeah, let's give them a chance here. They got it out here on this rocks and stuff. I don't know whether it's in this dried up pond or not. I got one of them out there looking in it, so we'll see what happens. Here, get down here. Guys, they run it right up against the road. Well, maybe not. I think it is in this ditch. Bobby Joe thought it was in the ditch. Now the Blackcreeks came back and proved to her. Here's Lace, Magnum, Polly, Bandit. So the Billie Jean's over here. Went around and come right back in the other side of the pond again, this dried up pond. That's Lace still working it out in front of it. I'm going to watch the other side of the pond as best I can to see where it comes out. There it is. It's over there on the far side, and it just went into those woods over there. It is a big rabbit. See if I can get it across here again, across the pond. Somebody hits it up in the woods where Lace, get in the woods. It's in there. Go ahead, Lace. Atta girl. She'll open in just a second. I thought. There she is. I knew she would. I gotta run in the roughest part out here probably because it's all this open gravel. There you go, Lacey jumped the rocks and picked it up on the far side. There's the old Jeep, guys. Across this road. As soon as they get it across here, we'll be, no telling where we'll be going. Yeah. Lace picked it up. It got off the road right here and went into these cedars. Went up. So Lace has got a hold of it now. See that Blackcreeks are trying to walk it through here, and Bobby Joe's out. There she is right there. She's back to him. She's doing fine. I'm just, you know, for the style mine are, she's wanting to be a little quick, and you got to be careful out here, and especially in the stuff we're in right now. And we're in this gravel, so. But that little bandit bailed us out. I don't know which way they're coming around this tree. I think this way. coming up this way, or do you know yet? Yeah, he's trying to make up his mind. You know, and I don't even know how to advise him, because my kind of dog, Big Sis, you know, Big Sis is more my kind of dog. But this little thing, this one here, Bobby Joe, she might be a little bit more of a field trial style. I mean, she's off and running. And if the guys, you know, if the guys kind of hold it behind her, you know, she'll look pretty good out running when she's got it. They're running in probably the toughest part of this place. It's a gravel pit that was a pond, and then it dried up. And this is the third time this rabbit's went across here. And what, I can stand on one side and it's maybe 20 yards to the other side. So I can stand here and watch him work the bank and try to figure out where it went in, because it's right there. Because it's, you know, because it's gravel, it's dirt. But when they're working this side, I can watch the other side. I've seen the rabbit come out of here twice. And he's one big son of a gun. In fact, that last time I saw him, I was almost ready to make him a jackrabbit. I didn't quite get a good enough look at what the ears. It looked like he had lots of ear to me, but I don't know. Probably just a big cottontail, but he's a big old guy. And like I said, I've watched him come out of here twice. And what they're in right now, I mean, is the thickest weeds. You know, reed kind of, I mean, just thick reed grass, whatever this stuff's called. I mean, it is thick, thick. I mean, hear him right there. Now, it looks like this time I might have missed him, because he looks like he might have come out this same side a little farther down instead of going across. I was watching across. No, here he is. Here he is, come right at me. He did come back, but he just went 20 feet from me. Just came right by him. Let's see what they